What's up, everybody? Today I will show you how I coded my optimization script that I personally use for my laptop. Also, a quick disclaimer. I'm sorry for my mic, what happened during the video. I guess it's my laptop's mic or something. And I hope you enjoyed the video.
A small part of it, as you can see here. So I'll be looking for more stuff. What the hell? Okay. Is there something?
Since I left the spot, I've been thinking I could see you on the weekend. Loving that
Turn it off.
said now we drink. He got more plays than me, so way more plays than him. I got more plays than my team. Who that we ain't waiting for him? Yeah, I'm him. I got bro started the street. You tell bro get the pet for me. Yeah, shit. I got a set spot in my team. Two-tone for you and me. Act right, you can come with me. Baby, here we go kicking in dough. I cut the stick in my coat.
Yeah, what the hell?
Most y'all didn't even know. Niggas stealing swag. We the one put that boy on. Yeah, she took off with his bag. That should be turning me on. You get away for the strong. That's not a Gucci cologne. I'm in this bitch where they own me. I get this guap and I'm gone. Yeah, that's the shit we be on. No, I don't pick up the phone. Since I left the spot, I've been thinking I can see you on the weekend. Feeling loving, now we drinking. Sitting, now we geek. He got more plays than me. I made way more plays than him. I got more plays than my team.
Okay, wait, let me check recycle bin real quick.
I got bro started street. You tell bro get the pet for me. Yeah, shit. I got a safe spot in my team. Two-tone for you and me. Act right, you can come with me. Baby.
Alright, delete it. No, we don't delete the shit. Let me test the thing. Asks for this shit. I just started Yes. Okay, I already see what I can add. So, my thoughts, first of all, I'm add a bit more spacing here, so it goes like here, starts like that. Then I'm add some color state and some spacing, so it looks better, because right now it looks like shit, being honest. And also, I wanted to ask, do you want to continue? So then it goes like I wanted to ask if you want to continue, and if user says yes, then it's gonna go like all together, but I'm not sure what the hell is it trying to do. First three set items. This happened. She said it's supposed to print this when it's done, so it's not done yet. So I just wait a bit. But by far I'm a yup for a small part of time. By far I'm just yup. So yeah, here it would be nice if it goes like, is your platform Go? Yes. and then it displays like multi-tool menu, and user can add himself, like choose himself what he wants to do. Like, does he want to enable peak? Does he like all of that stuff? You know, because I have here visual effects. It's basically for, how's it called? Appearance. Like here, just appearance. And it's gonna be changing it to this, and then two more. Peak it, disables it. What's it trying to do for so long? What the hell? Power config set active. It feels weird. Freckle didn't feel there. Okay. I guess we go with that. Good. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So this is what is supposed to happen. You see, so here it goes. You see, recycle bin. Are you sure? Yes. Recycle bin. You didn't delete my recycle bin. Okay, so let me work on this one. Let us go with your startup program. What the hell? Cheap. Yeah, system drive recycle bin. RD. System drive recycle bin. I'm not sure if it works like that though. Oh, okay. Let me try it again, I don't know. Oh, I didn't say shell through. That maybe that's the case, probably. I mean, why does it go weird like that? I don't know, like what can we do? Are you stupid? Then the second thing I want to check out is lock gearing drive. No. Right. No. Okay. Let me check my recycle bin now. Yeah, pretty much gone. I don't know why this bullshit is here. Oh, because it's from different drives, yeah. It deletes specifically from drive C. Because it's system drive. So if you run it on disk D, it's gonna be. Damn, back in the day my editing was good. What the hell? Yeah, I think this is part. Because I actually see any part because they shit. And then supposed to open 2 CMDs, isn't it? It's probably supposed to be like here. Because it's supposed to open 1 CMD, the big one, and that's it. What the hell? Okay, I see. I see. Yes. File. So I guess it's lows, yeah? Override. Yeah. Okay. What the shit? I made a mistake somewhere. Wait, does it have the whole thing in it? Oh, I see, of course. Bullshit. So, yes. And it's supposed to join it on now? Just have mental organization. That's GPT. Allow game mode. What the hell? What the shit? Found that. to game mode. Oh, yeah, I guess it's just turn it on.
She ready.
So I have to set the process.
She gon' pop shit. Why you hezzy? Need to go to fuck up the kid. I be high as hell like a pigeon. Nigga so shy, turn to a fit. She don't like two, nigga. I be shit. Shut the fuck up, you ain't getting no dick. Ooh, I read them like boo.
Okay, so for some reason my mic did not record at all on this part. So this part, I'll briefly explain. It's just about the final test of the multi-tool, just to show how it works, all the tweaking stuff. Like here you can see the game mode turns off, turns on using CMD. Then I'm gonna show how administrator privileges would work, all of that stuff. And also, as a notice, this code is gonna be uploaded to my GitHub. Link for this one is gonna be in description. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and also leave a comment what do you want me to do a tutorial on next, but like a proper tutorial. But I need your guys' ideas, and see you on the next video.